Alright guys, so we are going to Omar's house once again. Shout out to Import Auto Works, shout out to Omar. Alright, today we're going to put charge pipes and intercooler onto the car. Shout out to Darwin for picking up the parts for me. I was in LA but I didn't have the time to go get it. So I had a homie Darwin, Darwin to come get it for me. And then from there, Alex went to get it for me. He was in LA last week. So it all worked out. But yeah, I got PRL charge pipes and PRL intercooler for the Teggy. And then, yeah, I'm actually on mismatch wheels right now just because something happened when I was driving the other night and the wheels kind of, cooked. But, shout out to David for fixing that for me. But yeah, guys, we are heading to Omar's right now and we're going to start the car once we get to O's. So yeah, let's get. I'll get back to y'all once we get there. Also throwing a little barbecue for 4th of July. It's 4th of July today. So cool little kickback with the homies and stuff. So we'll see where night takes us and have a cool chill all night. What are we doing today, dude?
Intercooler, charge pipe.
Guys, back of the stockies. What happened?
We're getting custom repairs.
Yeah. Right.
We invented our own lines on the street and ended up getting custom rims.
Not gonna lie, this mismatch setup is low-key tough.
I fuck with her.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna do intercooler today. Everything is still intact. Shout out to Import Auto Works right here.
Built, not bought.
Right here, Import Auto Works.
Yep.
I'm gonna put it right here.
On the tag.
Yeah. or right here.
Yeah.
Boop.
Import Auto Works.
Import Auto Works. Alright, so I'm gonna start off by taking off the bumper, obviously to get to the intercooler. Oop, I just ripped my thing. God damn it. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna start on this and then start on the rest of your car. And yeah, so I'll be back once the bumper is off. It's all the same. It's just like, your little bumper clips. Once you take these things out right here. Hello? Okay, there we go. There we go. Same thing for all of them. And you see these clips right here? All these clips are coming off too. No matter, just take off these clips now. Off the bumper. So you can attach the bumper. Oh, shout out to Omar for the ring light.
Does your camera have the screw thing on the bottom?
Wooski, I think we got one.
Bro, real quick, shout out to Omar for just letting me use his garage and his house and get my car right? Omar built. Alright guys, car is jacked up. So I'm the clips already, throw the bottom out.
Fuck these jack points.
Yeah, these jack points are a pain, bro. It makes no sense whatsoever. Take it, take Honda. Yeah, my angle right?
It's upside down.
Alright guys, this is the billet intercooler from PRL from SoCal Special. Omar, you ready for this bitch on?
No.
We're done then?
That's not real PRL.
Always real PRL. For sure. Where should I put this at?
The rug. What?
Guys, this is the charge pipes right here. With the beam, the clamps. So we take out the motherfucking bumper. Put the damn. You can explain it. I lost my energy to it though.
Bumper. We're gonna be installing intercooler, charge pipe. And the reason why we chase charge pipes on these cars is because most factory cars nowadays are making them in plastic and they tend to crack, leak, and fail. It's causing low boost. Boost leak. Intercooler, more air.
Good air. Cold air equals happy car. so we actually gotta take off the intake.
So if we're gonna do charge pipe, we're gonna be changing from here. Only difference between this charge pipe and this new charge pipe is,
Where is it?
behind you. Only difference between these is it's a lot lighter material and it's got the methanol injection. So future-wise, if you're gonna change them, let's get some PRL methanol injection and charge pipes going on. Kyle in the building, you already know what it is, man.
What's up?
Your camera's dirty, man.
Hold this for me.
Yeah, I was just pop your head. I am not stocked, sir.
What's up, brother? What are you doing, brother? What you gotta say, bro?
What's up, guys? You already know what it is, man. Q50 down. Y'all see me on the BC coilover video. Make sure y'all watch that if y'all have it. But we got IS300 content coming soon.
Where's it at?
It's not here right now. Just know, coming soon. Give me 1 month. We got kit installations and we got a swap coming up soon.
BN kit?
Probably, but I don't want to be copy and paste. I think a Vertex. I want to mismatch kits. Lexus boy. He was Lexus boy. Now I'm Lexus boy. Taking his torch. What are you doing now, Kyle?
Taking this damn intercooler off.
Intercooler off. Hold on. I need a 10 on this side. This 412s, 210s, and that intercooler comes out.
Small ass
See how light that
intercooler.
is, though.
Compare this to the big one, bro.
Where's the other one at? Damn. Bigger, better breathing.
That's a big old difference.
Stock is definitely
Son is a demon. Damn, that shit
compared to
humongous.
This is like a finger holder. This one, I'm not touching that. I'm not touching that. Guys, moral story, go PRL.
PRL the world?
PRL the world, bro.
Sponsor him?
Please.
PRL sponsor him.
Please. Give me APR head studs. Please give me the PRL pure turbos, P700s. Run up to 650 on this damn car.
Big snail?
Big snail. Just
Reel him in.
oh, where'd you put that pen? That was right here. The 10 that goes in here.
I'm gonna have to take the back seats out for some weight reduction, gang.
Go get roll cage.
Oh yeah, smart man. Roll cage is gonna be crazy. Bad angle.
Good cameraman.
Already done.
PRL elbow, stock elbow. PRL.
PRL.
Stock.
Then what is this, rubber?
Stock. No, it's still titanium. Still good. It's titanium on it? Yeah. It's the same one. Aluminum. Aluminum, not titanium. Bring your
Intercooler?
intercooler over here.
Cameraman, that's not my job.
So Kyle, on the bottom of the stock intercooler, there's rubbers on the stock. On the stock. They're on the ground now. So bring them? No, yeah, okay, just bring it. Because ones go on bottom, these are the top halves. So this is almost a two-person, goddamn. Yeah.
Kyle got it.
So give me this. Give me one of the top half and the bottom half. Yours? No.
PRL.
First.
PRL.
PRL.
You gotta sponsor him.
PRL.
You gotta sponsor him.
Hold on.
PRL.
Look, yeah, upside down. Where are my keys at? Alright guys, the intercooler is on. It's on. Worst process of my life.
Is it really?
Let's just walk them through how to do it.
Alright, go to me.
There's a clip down here that holds this doo-doo sensor. You gotta cut it. But in order to put this big ass PRL intercooler on, you gotta come at it sideways at an angle. So basically down and there roll. And it'll fit. But that's it. Walk around.
Man, Impro works, man.
I don't want to do this no more.
Alright, gang, what we doing now? What we doing?
Barbecuing again.
Good food. Happy 4th?
Yeah, after a long fucking day of shit.
It's all done now. Good vibes, good food. Take a bite. How's it? Hey, one?